Good morning, students. I am Professor G.D. Padil, Assistant Professor, Department of Processing and Food Engineering, KKO College of Agriculture Engineering and Technology, Nashik. Today's we are going to study on the topic deep litter poultry house. We had already discussed in last lecture wire floor poultry house. Okay, means as per the material required for the construction of making floors. Okay, so there are three types of poultry houses: wire floor poultry house, deep litter poultry house, and cage house. Okay. So this is the deep litter poultry house. In this house, the birds are kept inside the house of all the times. Okay, the birds lie on the floors, which is covered with suitable litter of about 15 to 20 centimeter depth. Litter material usually consists of chopped paddy straw, rice husks, or dry leaves. Materials like wheat or barley straw, dry grasses, or dry stalks of maize or badra also make a good litter. So this saves labor involved in frequent cleaning of the floor. Usually the entire litter gets well decomposed by the 1 year is removed as used as a good quality manure. The birds keep in excellent health and grow and later lay well. Also, as the birds are always confined inside the house, crowding of birds should be avoided. Provision should be made for plenty of ventilation, but at the same time protection against the sun and rains by providing overhanging the roof on all the sides of the house is essential. Floor area of 0.36 meter square per burst usually provided. Thus, the 2.4 into 2.4 meter small shed can be accommodated about 16 birds. Okay, but generally required floor area is 0.36 meter square per bird in these houses. Okay, also accommodation is accommodated about 16 birds. Okay, that the dimension of the small shed is 2.4 into 2.4 meter. Another important point to be kept in view is that the litter is kept dry. Okay, the deep litter housing offers an excellent opportunity for the birds to burrow in it when the air temperature is high and they by cool themselves. Okay, similarly they can warm themselves in cold weather and is known as homeostasis. Okay, so this figure shows deep litter poultry house for 500 birds. Number of means equipments providing in this house. Okay, feeding trap, watering traps. Okay, also litter materials provided. Okay, means spread on the surface up to 15 to 20 centimeter depth. Okay, the merits and demerits of poultry house. So generally deep litter poultry house advantage of this house: vitamin B12 and B2 are made available to birds from either means from the litter material by the bacterial action. The welfare of birds are maintained to some period. Okay, the deep litter mainly useful fertilizer, also lesser noises from flies when compared to cage system. Okay, the disadvantages of deep litter poultry houses: because of the direct contact between the bird and litter, bacterial and parasite disease may be problem in this house. Respiratory problem may be emerged due to dust from the litter. The cost of litter is an additional expenditure on a product cost. Also, false in ventilation can have more serious consequences than in the cage. Okay, so these are merits and demerits of the deep litter poultry houses. So this is the photo of deep litter poultry house. Okay, this is the deep litter poultry house. Means watering troughs, feeding troughs provided inside the house. Okay, means suitable location to facilitate the work. Litter material sprayed on the floor up to 15 to 20 centimeter depth, means it is continuously steered. Okay, by operator. Okay, okay students, thank you.